Picture this. The average person gets about 30,000 days on this planet. That's it. If you're 30 years old, you've already burned through 11,000 of them. Poof, gone. Crazy, right? We all say, I'll get to it someday, but here's the kicker. Someday is a sneaky little lie. It fools us into thinking we've got forever. Well, we don't. So, stick with me. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share some game-changing ideas to help you not just manage your time, but truly live it. These aren't your boring to-do list hacks. These are deep, practical truths about how life works. Ready? Let's go. Time's sneaky illusion. Ever wonder why summer felt like it lasted forever when you were a kid, but now years zip by like weeks? It's not just you, it's how your brain plays with time. When you're young, everything's new. First bike ride, first sleepover, first scraped knee. Your brain's busy recording it all, so time feels slow and rich. But as adults, same commute, same coffee, same scroll through Instagram, your brain goes, been there, done that, and stops paying attention. Days blur, and suddenly it's December again. The fix? Shake things up, try a new hobby, take a different route home, chat with someone you'd usually pass by. New experiences wake your brain up, making time feel full again. Oh, and here's a trap we all fall into. We think we can cram way too much into a day, but totally underestimate what we can pull off in a year. Small steps, my friend, they add up big. 2. What really matters? Here's a question. Are you busy or are you living? Most of us pack our days with stuff that feels urgent, emails, meetings, endless notifications, but doesn't actually matter. Want clarity? Try the deathbed test. Imagine you're 90 looking back. Will you wish you'd answered that extra email or spent a lazy afternoon with someone you love? Boom, priorities snap into focus. Here's a trick I love. Grab a pen, list everything you want to do, then circle your top 3. The rest? That's your not now list. Focus is power. Successful people don't just know what to do, they know what to skip. And here's the secret sauce. Small, daily choices in the right direction. They compound like interest in a savings account. But watch out. Distractions like doom scrolling can rob you blind. Cut the junk. Your time's worth more. 3. Relationships. Your emotional bank. Think of relationships like a bank account. Every little moment's a deposit or a withdrawal. A kind word, a quick thinking of you text, deposit, showing up late or ghosting someone, withdrawal. And just like a real bank, you can't pull out what you haven't put in. Big gestures are cool, but it's the small stuff, listening, remembering, showing up, that builds trust over time. Here's something wild. Tough times together, like fixing a flat tire in the rain, bond you more than fancy dinners. And don't sleep on your weak ties, those casual friends or co-workers. They're your bridges to new ideas and opportunities. Strong ties hug you tight, weak ties lift you up. 4. Career. Step into the unknown. Your dream job isn't hiding in your comfort zone, it's just outside it, in what's called the adjacent possible. It's that sweet spot where what you know meets what you could know. Staying safe keeps you stuck. And here's a rookie mistake, chasing cash too soon. Early in your career, chase learning. Every skill's a ticket to something bigger, money catches up later. Forget the straight-up career ladder. Today's paths are more like a jungle gym. Side moves, zigzags, even steps back can build something unique. Oh, and if you're procrastinating, use it. Avoiding that report, learn a random skill instead. Sometimes what you dodge reveals what you love. 5. Health. Your secret weapon. Health isn't just about not getting sick. It's your life's turbo boost. Everything, work, relationships, joy, rides on it. Ask yourself, would you rather have 8 sharp, energized hours or 12 foggy, sluggish ones? Energy trumps time every day. Sleep's not a luxury, it's your brain's reset button. Skimp on it, and you're basically running on fumes. Try this. Micro workouts. 10 squats while the coffee brews. A quick stretch between Zoom calls. Little moves, big wins. Your body's made to move, not slump. Bonus, moving clears your head. Next time you're stuck, take a walk. The answer's waiting. 6. Keep growing, keep learning. Want to master something fast? Teach it. Explaining forces you to get it, struggles and all. Don't wait to be perfect. Your mess makes you relatable. Here's a gem. Read biographies. One book, one lifetime of lessons. Mistakes included, no charge. Don't try to ace everything. Be strategically bad at stuff that doesn't matter. It frees your brain for the good stuff. And limits? They're your creativity's best friend. Tight deadlines, small budgets, those squeeze out brilliance. Ever notice how the best ideas hit when you're backed into a corner? 7. Emotions. You're in charge. Did you know emotions have a 90-second timer? That rush of anger or stress, it's just chemicals, gone in a minute and a half, unless you keep feeding it. You can't stop the first wave, but you can choose what comes next. That's power. Staying cool when chaos hits, that's what gets you noticed. Try showing a little vulnerability. It's like glue for trust. And don't dodge tough talks. They're like emotional debt. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. Oh, and gratitude? Say it out loud. It's money in the bank you'll never lose. 8. Money. Buy time, not stuff. Money's not the goal. It's a tool for freedom. Trouble is, when we earn more, we spend more. Bigger house, fancier car, longer commute. You're richer, but time poor. Think time affluence. Would you take 100K for 80-hour weeks or 70K for 30? Your real wage includes what you give up. Here's the move. Build margins. Live below your means, and you've got room to breathe. Room for chances, not just bills. Rent the flashy stuff. Buy experiences. That trip with friends, it'll grow in value. That new gadget, not so much. 9. Creativity. Turn on the tap. Creativity's not magic, it's a faucet. First comes the rusty water, aka your terrible ideas. Keep going, and the good stuff flows. Don't wait for perfection, start messy. And here's the twist. Limits spark genius. Give someone endless options, they stall. Box them in, they shine. Shakespeare's strict rhymes didn't hold him back, they made him soar. Separate creating and judging. Don't slam the brakes while you're driving. Jot everything down. Those early flops are your stepping stones. Your edge? Mix skills no one else does. That's your spark. 10. Energy. Your real currency. You can schedule all you want, but without energy, it's pointless. Some things charge you up. A good chat, a brisk walk. Others drain you dry, like endless scrolling or that one negative friend. Audit it. Protect your juice by setting up your space for smart choices. Keep the snacks healthy, the phone out of reach. Here's a pro tip. Be strategically incompetent at stuff that doesn't matter. Burn dinner on purpose, and no one asks again. Rest isn't lazy, it's how you recharge for the big wins. 11. People. Your hidden power. Success isn't just skills, it's who you've got in your corner. Real connections beat a stack of business cards any day. Friendship's simple, time plus real talk plus shared moments. No hacks, just heart. Networking's not grabbing, it's giving. Link people up and you're the glue. Don't wait for reunions to reconnect. A quick, hey, how's it going, keeps bonds alive. Build your crew before the storm hits. When you're drowning, it's too late to make friends. 12. Mental shortcuts. See the bigger game. Mental models are like cheat codes for life. They simplify the chaos. But they're not the full picture, just a map. Most folks play checkers, life's chess. Second-order thinking wins. What's the next move after this one? Dig deeper. Knowledge is cool, but understanding's king. Knowing a tomato's a fruit doesn't mean it belongs in your smoothie. Flip your thinking. Instead of, how do I fix this? Ask, how am I causing this? Sometimes you just need to stop. 13. Design your life. Life's not a script you follow, it's a project you shape. Think of it as a portfolio, adventures, people, skills, dreams. Don't overthink it, test it. Change one tiny thing for 5 minutes. That spark can grow. Ditch society's yardstick, money, titles, stuff, and pick your own. Maybe success is laughing with your kids or mastering a new recipe. Check in monthly. Small tweaks now beat big regrets later. You're the architect. Build something yours. The wrap up. Start today. Life's not about squeezing in more hours, it's about making the ones you've got count. These ideas, time, priorities, relationships, all of it, they weave together into a life that feels full, not frantic. Time's ticking either way. Your habits turn into days, days into years, years into you. Pick one thing that clicked, try it out, tweak it, own it. The best time to start? Not someday, today. What's your move?